Today we're diving into a trend that's taking social media by storm, creating viral cute baby runway videos. And one YouTube channel has grown to 43,000 subscribers in just a month by riding this trend. Over on Instagram, similar pages are racking up millions of views per reel. These videos are everywhere, racking up millions of views and endless engagement. And here's the juicy part. They're likely making between $7,000 to $10,000 a month by selling digital products through these videos. And what makes them so special? It's all about the charm of AI-generated babies in fun, fashionable scenarios that people can't stop watching. Now, you might have seen these videos and wondered, how are they made? Do I need real models? The answer is no. You can create these adorable, shareable clips entirely with AI without needing any real-life footage. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it happen in 4 simple steps. Plus, before we wrap up, I'll share an exciting tip on how to make your baby runway videos unique, grabbing lots of views and tons of subscribers, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generating the image prompt. Open ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, which you can find in the video description, and paste it. Once you've done that, ask ChatGPT to generate 5 more prompts like this one. Hit send, and in just seconds, you'll have a list of prompts ready to go. The first section has 15 specific prompts that I'll guide you through in this tutorial to help you achieve stunning results. The second part includes a versatile general prompt you can adjust to match your unique vision. And the third section gives you another general prompt for even more flexibility. With these prompts, creating high-quality, professional-looking images has never been easier. Just copy them into ChatGPT, make a few tweaks, and watch your ideas come to life. Now that we have our image prompts ready, let's move on to the step 2, generating the images. Now that we've got our prompts, it's time to generate some high-quality images. I recommend using Leonardo AI because it creates stunning, hyper-realistic images. Head over to Leonardo AI, sign in with your Google or email account, and you'll get 150 free tokens daily. Once logged in, click Image Generation and select Lifelike Vision from the preset options and choose Dynamics for that lifelike touch. Adjust the ratio to 9:16 to match Instagram Reels or TikTok. Paste your image prompt into the field and hit Generate. In seconds, you'll get 4 adorable images to choose from. What's great about using Leonardo AI is that it generates 4 different images at once, so you can choose your favorites and download them all. Repeat this for the other cute baby models, and you'll have a whole set of incredibly cute images ready to go. In this step, we'll use a text-to-image generator to bring our prompts to life. While there are many options available, for this tutorial, we'll be using Piclumen AI. Open your browser and search for Piclumen AI. Click on the first link that appears. Then on the website, select Generate for free. On the login page, continue with Google or Apple. Once you're logged in, click Create on the image generation page. Here's what to adjust. Set the model to flux and change the aspect ratio to 90:16. Perfect for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Then, select the specific number of images you want for each generation. Next, copy your image prompt, paste it into Piclumen AI, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll see a stunning image of a cute baby pharaoh. Absolutely adorable and eye-catching. Now stick around while I generate the rest of the images to keep things moving. Step 3. Converting images into videos. Alright, now that we have our images, it's time to turn them into videos. We'll be using Hailuo AI, also known as Minimax. As a new user, you'll get 3 days of unlimited access. During this time, you can create as many videos as you want without any credit restrictions. Head over to Minimax, sign up, upload one of the baby images you downloaded, and reuse the description from step 1. Just copy the first sentence of the prompt, for example. A 2-year-old baby boy model exudes vintage charm as he walks down a classic theater runway with velvet curtains and golden lighting, and hit Generate. Repeat this for all your generated images to create a complete set of cute baby runway videos. You can even queue up to 3 videos at once, making the process even faster. The result is amazing. Now that our images are ready, let's turn them into captivating videos. There are plenty of image-to-video AI tools to choose from, but for this tutorial, we'll be using Hailuo AI. To get started, open your browser and search for Hailuo AI. Click the first link on the results page, then select Sign in the top right corner. Continue with Google on the login page. Once logged in, you'll get a 3-day free unlimited trial. Next, upload your first image, copy the prompt from Piclumen AI, and paste it into the prompt field. Then, simply click Create, and Hailuo AI will start processing your video. I'll repeat these steps for 2 more images: uploading, pasting the prompt, and clicking Create. You can check back periodically to see if the queue is free to add another image. This process can take a little time, so patience is key here. And don't forget, you can regenerate any video if it doesn't turn out just right. Once all the videos are created, download them to your device. Now that our videos are ready, let's take them to the next level by upscaling the clips for better quality. This will help our videos really stand out with a crisp, high-definition finish. For this, we're going to use a free tool called Capcut Video Upscaler. To get started, open your browser and search for Capcut Video Upscaler. Click the first link in the search results, then select Upload Video to add your clip. Once uploaded, choose your desired resolution and click Upscale. After the upscaling is complete, click Export and then Download to save the video to your device. I'll go ahead and upscale the rest of the clips to keep things moving. This upscaling step gives us that professional edge we want. Step 4. Editing with CapCut. Now let's fine-tune everything and make your videos even better. Open CapCut, either on desktop or mobile, and import all the videos you've created so far. Add a trending background music track and drag it onto the timeline. Be sure to adjust your video to the 9:16 ratio, perfect for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Don't forget to crop out any watermark on your videos. Want to get even more creative? Add animations or smooth transitions between clips. Quick tip, slow down the video slightly to give it a calming, cute vibe. Drop a comment and let me know how cool you think this tip is. Once that's done, your video is ready to go viral. Wow, that turned out amazing. I believe that with what you've learned in this video, you're all set to create your own unique, cute baby runway videos. If this video was helpful, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.